Boom, what's up guys, it's your boy Babour Zainullah. Today's vlog, it's not really a vlog, it's more likely, it's honestly, I was thinking what to do past like couple of weeks, and I thought about why not, I just updated my website, so I was like, hey, there's not enough stuff to show, so I thought about making a commercial for Adidas shoes. I love Adidas Nikes. So today's video is gonna be kind of a vlog showing how I made a commercial. This commercial I'll show you to somewhere in the middle. I'll put it up there, and so you guys will go through with me how I'm making a commercial for Adidas, just for the shoes. You know those fancy commercial for shoes like people make it? I'm gonna try to make one like that too. Hopefully it's gonna look good. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's what this video is gonna be about today. I thought, why not just make a commercial for you, for Adidas. Have fun, do something that I like, have a work for portfolio, maybe have a, I don't know, future clients by accident. We're going to be using another shoes. This is my favorite shoes of all time, probably. It's from People's. Yeah, see. Anyways, yeah, it's from People's. I love these shoes. They're so comfortable. They're so light, and you know, it's just yeah, my favorite shoes. I bought them once, like last year I think, and I wore them for a month. I was like, oh, I gotta get another one. And these ones I never wear them, so they're still brand new. And I think these guys will work really good for this. The only thing is colors white and black and blue. Actually, that might work. That might work with my furs and stuff. We'll see. Yeah, but these are the shoes that I'm going to be using. Gang. This is it. This is a bootleg over the head light. Okay, as you can see, it's like right now there's a little light right here, and that's what I wanted. To be honest, when you're making this kind of work, I think the most important thing is always the lighting. As long as you're lighting, because it's always going to be static and you're slightly going to move the object, so it's always just make sure your lighting is good and everything else is going to go smooth. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, it's going to take the longest with the lighting, so don't hesitate, don't think about it. Just keep working on it until you have that best look. Now I'm gonna take them down these lights. You see how how much more dramatic it looks now? It's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. So we'll push this a little bit, this guy. Anyways, yeah, this is the work that always goes on, you know. This is how you want these things to look all the time. This is like the most annoying part, but you just gotta go with it. Make sure, you know, you keep going. Alright, so I'm about to do my first shot of the day. I think this is the ending lighting, that's how it's going to be. So, two lights, one above, and this is how the product is going to look. And then we'll get into close-ups and stuff like that. So, yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, I think I got a couple of shots that I wanted. We'll see, don't know. I'm getting into micro lens. That's going to be harder, and I think most of the shots are going to be macro lens shots, like close-up shots. It's always much better. I just got a couple like major master shots, and yeah, you're just getting into macro shots, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. There's not much to it. It's hopefully it's gonna have enough shots to edit after. I'm gonna have enough good edits. That's I didn't do that, I didn't go through that, but it's just a small thing. Don't ever forget to clean your lens every time before you guys shoot, just to be on the safe side, because sometimes the sharpness of your shots can be lost because of not clean, like when your lens is not clean. So I highly recommend to always clean, like, you know, with the I don't know what it's called, but always clean your lens before you shoot. It's really important. Sometimes you totally forget about it. I do myself most of the time, but now I'm kind of getting used to it. And yeah, I didn't show that on a video or anything like that, but don't forget to always clean your lens.
Oh, I promise you ain't got like 20 bands, let's be honest. I can start another wave and you want it. You copy. Champagne sipping, always spilling in the lobby. I told the project and everyone got a profit. I need a whip with loaded, I need an option. And when I get to the paper, you can't stop it. It don't play in the safe, I gotta lock it. It's alright, and it's okay. I'ma get to the bag and it's all day.
To be honest, now I'm just gonna experiment with random stuff, so we'll see what happens. That's a wrap. Now I'm just gonna you know, put everything back. That's gonna take another 15 minutes, and there, boom, put everything in a Premiere Pro and start editing this little guy.
You ain't got like 20 bands, let's be honest. I could start another wave and you want it. Rockstar lifestyle, know you want it. I know you want it, oh I promise. You ain't got like 20 bands, let's be honest. I could start another wave and you want it. Rockstar lifestyle, know you want it.